welcome to this quick and powerful training on how to create DMs that actually get answers without feeling pushy, salesy, or awkward. Whether you're reaching out to a potential client, collaborator, or someone you admire, the way you craft your message matters. Let's make it easy, authentic, and effective. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about why most DMs get ignored. It's not because people are rude, it's because the message feels generic, it's unclear what you want, or it feels like a pitch. So here's the mindset shift. Your DM should feel like a conversation starter, not a transaction. Here's a simple framework you can use for almost any DM. 1. Personal connection. Start with something real and relevant. Hi, name. I saw your post about topic and it really resonated with me. 2. Purpose. Let them know why you're reaching out. I'm a wellness entrepreneur working on brief context, and I'd love to ask you a quick question. 3. Clear ask, make it easy for them to respond. Would you be open to a quick chat or sharing your thoughts on specific thing? Bonus tip, keep it short. 3-5 sentences max. Here are a few examples you can tweak and use. Example 1, potential client. Hi, Sarah. I saw your comment in the wellness group about struggling with energy. I help women like you feel better naturally. Would you be open to a quick chat? Example 2, collaboration. Hi, James. I loved your recent podcast episode on mindset. I run a wellness show too. Would you be open to exploring a guest swap? Example 3, feedback or advice. Hi, Dr. Lee. I admire your work in trauma recovery. I'm building a program for wellness coaches and would love your quick take on one idea. Would that be okay? Now it's your turn. Pick one person you want to connect with. Use the 3-part framework. Send the DM today. And if you want to grow your wellness business with ease using AI tools, grab our free AI-powered wellness business starter kit at https://purpose-to-profit.org. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your purpose-driven wellness business. And remember, your message matters. Let's make